Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we will be learning about dictionary in Python. The Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items or elements. Unordered means in other compound data types like lists and tuples, we are having an integer index associated with the elements. Whereas in the case of dictionary, we have key value pair. Each key value pair maps the key to its associated value. For example, here we are having a dictionary student. It has 4 key value pairs. The first one is name Tom. Name is the key, Tom is the value. Then we have roll number 12. Roll number is the key, 12 is the value. Then we have subjects as the key, a list of maths and science as its value. Then percentage PER as the key and 95.7 as its value. The key and its value is separated by colon. Here the key name and its value Tom is separated by colon. Similarly, other keys and values are also separated by colon. Then we are having 4 elements here. We are having 4 key value pairs. So first element is name Tom. The second element is roll number 12. Then subjects maths and science and percentage 95.7. So each key value pair is considered as an element. There are 4 elements here and these elements are separated by commas. And these elements are enclosed within curly braces. In dictionary we use curly braces. Now the values have no restrictions. It can be of any data type. Whereas keys have some restrictions. Key must be unique and immutable. Immutable means you can use numbers, strings or tuples. Now we will see some examples of how to create a dictionary and retrieve values from it. Now here I am creating an empty dictionary. That means I am having only curly braces with no elements inside it. So this is an empty dictionary, I am printing that. Then I am creating a dictionary with integers as key. So here one is my key, blue is the value, then 2 is the key, red is the value, 3 key, yellow value, and printing that dictionary. The same dictionary I am creating using the dict function, DICT function, and printing it. Then here I am trying to access the value with key 2. So green will be printed. Green is the value with having key 2. So let us execute this and see. So here it is. First I have printed an empty dictionary. That is this. Then dictionary with created a dictionary with integer keys. 1, 2, 3 are the keys. Then I have created the same dictionary using the dict function. I have printed that. And after that I am retrieving the value at key 2, that is green. Green is getting printed here. So now what happens when I try to insert a value for the same key 2, green, that is key value 2, which is now green, I am inserting with this to the same key, I am inserting another value white. So whenever a duplicate key is assigned, the latest value is considered and stored, whereas the previous one is lost. So the latest value is white will be stored and the previous green will be lost. So we will execute this. Here the value at key 2, that is green, is replaced by white. Now after that I am printing the variable type of D1. So it is of type dictionary. Now we will see some methods to access the values from the student dictionary. So here first I am printing the student dictionary. After that I am printing the value at key name, that is Tom will get printed. Then I am printing the value at key subjects, that is this list math, science, English will get printed. So let us execute that and see. So here it is, the dictionary has got printed, then the value at key name, that is Tom, has got printed, then the value at subjects has got printed. Now what if I try to print a key which is not there in the dictionary? Suppose I am printing age. Age is not there in the dictionary. So it will give me an error. So it is giving me an error. It is giving me a key error because age is not present in the dictionary. So this problem can be solved by using the get method. If I print student.getAge using the get method, if I print it, it will return me none. If the key is not there in the dictionary, it will return me none. So here it is returning me none because key is not there in the dictionary. And if there is key is not there in the dictionary, if I want to print some default value, I will give that as default here. So after age, I will give it as default value, age not found. So now it is returning, if key is not found, it is returning age not found. So when you are printing without the get function, without the get method, it is giving me key error. So when you use the get method and try to retrieve the age using the get method, it will give me, if the age is not there in the dictionary, it will return me none. And if I want some default values, if the age is not present, so I can give the default values as an argument here. So it will get printed. Then after that I am printing the length of the dictionary. Length is an inbuilt function. So it will give me the length of the dictionary. In short, it will give me the number of keys in the dictionary or the number of key value pairs in the dictionary. In our case, the length is 3 because we are having only 3 keys in the dictionary: name, subjects and percentage, PER. So it is returning, length is returning 3. Now addition of a new entry into the dictionary. So suppose I want to add age to the dictionary. So I will give student that key age is equal to 18. So it will add the key age to the dictionary. See, key age has got added to the dictionary. A new key value pair age 18 has got added to the dictionary. Now this update method, I am trying to update roll number 5. The roll number is not there in the dictionary now. So the update method, it tells the Python interpreter to first search for the key. If the key is found, it will update the value. If the key is not found, if the key is not there in the dictionary, it will add this new key. and value to the dictionary. So in this case, the roll number is not there in the dictionary now. So it is not found in the dictionary, so it will add the value. It will add this roll number, this key value pair to the dictionary list. So here it is, roll number has got added to the dictionary. Now after that, if I try to update the roll number, now the roll number is existing in the dictionary. Now after that, if I try to update the roll number to 12, it will get updated. The key is already there. If key is already there, it will update the value. If the key is not there, it will add that key to the dictionary. So now here the key is there, roll number, so it has updated the value of the roll number. It has changed it from 5 to 12. Now here in this update method, you can do everything at one stroke. For example, if I want to change the name Tom to Jack and age 18 to 28, and I want to add a new key value pair, that is grade A plus, then in this one sentence we can do all these things. So let us execute that and see. Here it is, the name has changed to Jack and age has changed from 18 to 28, and a new key value pair of grade A plus is added here at the end. So that is about the update method. Now using the update method, you can add two dictionaries. Suppose I am having dictionary 1, D1 is having 1, 2, 3 and D2 is having 4, 5, 6. D1 dot update D2 means it will add items in D2 to D1 and print it. So this is the new dictionary after the updation. So it has added, I am printing D1. So whatever was there in dictionary D2 has got added to D1 and I am printing D1. So all the elements 1 to 5 are there in D1 now. Now keys. Using the keys method, values method and item method. You can print keys, you can print the values, or you can print both. Using the items method, you can print both. So here it is. This is the dictionary. I have printed the dictionary here. Now print students keys means it will print only the keys. That is name, subject, percentage, age, roll number and grade. Only keys are printed. Values means to print student values means this method will print only the values. And items means it will print both keys and values in the form of tuples. So each key value pair will be printed as tuples. We can also print the keys, values and items using this for loop. These two for loops will print the keys. This first for loop we are using the keys method. For k in student keys, print k, and in the next for loop for k in student, print k. Both these for loops will print the key. Here it is. This is the first for loop. For k in student keys, we have printed all the keys. In the next for loop for k in student, print k, that is this. It is printing all the keys. Similarly, we can print the values also using for loop. For v is a variable. V can be any variable. So for v in student values, we are using the values method here. For v in student values, print v, or for v in student, print student v. This while retrieving this value from the student dictionary, it should be in square brackets. I will execute this. So here it is. This is from the first for loop. We have retrieved the values, and this is from the second for loop. By using the square bracket, we have retrieved the values. Now after that, here by using this for loop, we can retrieve the key as well as values. So for k, v in student items, we are using the items method, print k and v. So here we have retrieved both the key as well as the value corresponding to that key. Now here I am using a function, passing dictionary to a function and then printing the key and its value. So here I am calling the function print stud, print student, and passing the dictionary student. So this is my function definition. So I am passing the dictionary here, and after that for k in d means k is a variable. For key in the dictionary is already passed to d here. For key in d, print k as well as the value for that corresponding key, that is d square bracket k means the key value for that corresponding key k. So we'll execute this. So here it is. So we have printed the key, and the key is equal to and the corresponding value for that key. So this is how we pass a dictionary to a function and print the key and value. Now deletion. So items can be deleted in various ways. We can use various methods for that. So first here I am printing the student dictionary. After that I am deleting student roll number. So I am deleting the roll number key. Then I will print the student. So the key and value of roll number will be deleted. See here the roll number has got deleted. We have used the del operator to remove that. So roll number has got deleted here. Now using the pop method, also I can delete the items from the dictionary. So here I am deleting the subjects. I am deleting keys, subjects. The details of subjects I am deleting from here, key as well as the details, using the pop method. So here it is, the key, subjects and the details of that subject, values of that subject is this list, math, science and English, all have got deleted. Now we can also delete using the pop item method. So here the last key value pair will get deleted. When I use the pop item method, the last key value pair, that is grade, has got deleted. Now I can delete the entire dictionary itself by using the del operator. See here it is giving me an error because I am trying to print the student dictionary which is already deleted. Using the del, I have deleted the student dictionary, and after that I am trying to print the student. So it is giving me an error because dictionary is already deleted. So now I printed the dictionary, and now clear method, using the clear method, all the elements in the dictionary will be removed, and then I will print student. So clear method has removed all the elements from the dictionary, that is name, Jack, this percentage and age all have got deleted from the dictionary. It has cleared the dictionary, and then when I give the print statement, it will print the empty dictionary. Now copy method, by using the copy method we can copy one dictionary into another one. So here I am copying the dictionary D1 into another dictionary D2 using the copy method, and I can also copy using the DICT function. Here I am copying D1 to D3 and printing D3. So in both the ways you can copy one dictionary to another. So here it is, this is my D2, first one is the D2, second one is the D3. So first I had copied using the copy method, then second one I am printing after copying using the dictionary function. Now I am using the string method to print D3. So string will string the dictionary D3 into printable format. Now there are other operators like in and not in, which are membership operator. Then any, all these operators are there, we will see that. Here squares is a dictionary in which the values of elements are the square of its key. For example, here 16 is the value which is the square of its key 4. 144 is the square of its key 12, and so on. Now print 2 in squares means it will check whether 2 is a key in this squares dictionary. Yes, 2 is a key here, so it will print true. Then it will print 9 in squares. So 9 is present in this dictionary but not as a key, it is a value here. The key is 3, so 9 is a value, so it will print false. Then next 10 is not in squares, so 10 is in squares, so not in squares is false because it is in squares. It is a key in this squares dictionary. So this in and not in are all membership operators. Then print all squares. Print all squares means if all the keys are true, then it will print true. Here all the keys are true, so it will be true. Then print any squares, that means at least one of the key is true, it will print true. So we'll execute this and see now. So this is the output here. Print 2 in squares, 2 is present as a key here, so it is true. 9 in squares, it is false because 9 is a value in this dictionary, not as a key. Then 10 not in squares, 10 is in squares, so not in squares is false. Print then all squares, that means all the keys are true. Yes, it is true, so it will be true. Any squares means at least one of the key is true, so that is also true. So suppose if I change the value of this key to 0, so then all squares will not be true, because for all to be true, all the keys should be true. So here one of the key is not true, so that is false. All squares will be false. But any squares is true, because for any squares to be true, at least one of them should be true. Here there are many other keys which are true, so that is true. Now this dictionary keys are sorted here. So using the sort method, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 and 12. So this dictionary is sorted on keys. Now after that, Here we are creating a dictionary using the from keys method. So we are having a sequence here: account number, name, age, sex, and balance. So this will form part of this. These are all the keys. These are all going to be the keys. Whatever is in the sequence will be the keys. So account dictionary is equal to dict from keys sequence. So from this sequence it will form the key and create a dictionary, and I am printing that dictionary here. So this is the dictionary, and in the values place it has padded with none. By default it is none. Now if I want to change this none to some other values, so I will put it here in the default. So here I am putting the value 65462 as default. So all the keys will get that value. So here it is. All the keys have got that default value which I have given as the second argument here. Now if I want to change all this, I will use the update method and change name to Bija, age 38, sex female, and balance to 15475. Apart from the account number key, I am changing all other data in this dictionary. So all other values I am changing in the dictionary using this update method. So here it is, the new dictionary account number I have kept the same. So the remaining values have been changed here. So now the next method is set default. So here I am having in my employee dictionary two keys, name and age, and name is Smith and age is 32. So print employee default age none, then second print is employee set default salary none. So what it does is, if this age is found, if the key is found in the dictionary, it will print that value. If it is not found in the dictionary, it will print none. So here in this case, age is there in the dictionary, so the value of the age, that is 32, will be printed. But salary is not there in the dictionary, so none will be printed for salary. For the value of salary, none will be printed. So let us run this. So here it is. So value is 32, that is this value is 32, that is age. The next value is of salary, that is it has printed as none. And after that I am printing the dictionary employee. So dictionary employee is like this: name Smith, age 32, and salary none. Now traversing through this dictionary, so here I am having three dictionaries. Person having 4 elements, then student having 3 elements, and teacher dictionary having only 1 element. Now I am printing person, that is the first dictionary, then I am printing student and printing teacher. Now here what happens is, for k in person's key, means for it will scan one by one the person's key. This keys it will scan one by one. After that it will check this condition. If that key is present in the student's key, it will check Robert is here, Brendan is here, Endoherty is here, Rosemary is not here. So one by one it will check here. So if it is present here in the student's dictionary, it will print the key as well as its value. If it is not present, it will print not in student's list. In this case, the third key, Rosemary, is not in the student's list, so it will print not in the student's list. So let us execute this. So here it is. So Robert, Brendan, and Endoherty it has printed, and Rosemary it has highlighted not in the student's list. So now hope you have understood this video. If you are having any doubts, you can put in the comment box. If you like this video, share it with your friends. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks very much.